So yeah, 2000 for the T20S. It was 2001, a year later, that the T20E was released. T20E Extended, which included extra security with WAP. The phone came with another colour, purple wild, I believe. And MMS, you had pictures with sounds, so a bit of an upgrade. But yeah, what an absolutely gorgeous phone. I've got 3 examples here. 2 of them, one to the left and one to the far right, are the E examples. The one in the middle is the T20S, which is unfortunately locked to orange. The other 2 are locked as well, so if there's anyone out there with a specialist software, I'd love to hear from you. Unfortunately, the one in the middle, the orange locked one, this one, EE gave me the incorrect unlock code, so that was $9.99 down the drain. Just having a look through some of the stats, well past discontinued, 2000-2001. The display was 101 by 33 pixels, which is in effect 3 lines of 12 characters. There wasn't any comms really, apart from WAP and SMS. Of course, MMS with the E variants, so no LAN, no Bluetooth, GPS, no infrared port, and no radio. The standby time for both mobiles was about 200 hours, and you had approximately 10 hours of talk time, so one charge basically lasts the whole week. Interestingly, the screen colour, what you see in front of you, isn't actually factually correct. It's green. I'm not sure why it's come up that blue. The blue in the keys is correct and true, but not the screen. A lot of early Ericssons use this menu setup. Looking through the prices back in the day, average house price was 50 grand, 16.5 grand salary, 12.5 just over for the average car, and a litre of fuel was about 86 pence a litre. Now it's about £1.30. Looking at Tetris, anyone of any age will remember Tetris and use the 2 and 3 numbers to change the orientation. I've got a few mobile coming up, reviews, including the A2628, T29, or rather T28 and T39. So if you hit the subscribe and like button and the notification, you'll get notification when those videos are being uploaded. Just listening to some of the tunes for the call alerts. Everyone remembers the Ericsson melody. So yeah, fantastic memories. Of course, it doesn't have all the bells and whistles of today's phone, but what it does have, I'm sure you'll agree, is character and good looks, as opposed to today's bricks. So yeah, if you want more notifications, want more videos of old mobile phones, hit the like, subscribe, notification bell, and you'll get a notification through. If there's any you want to see in particular, just put it down on the list below, and I'll try and get to it as soon as possible. So thanks very much for your time, and until the next time, goodbye.